fire, one destiny. From the sunrise glow up on the island shore to the busy street where the young hearts roar. Hope in the breeze, strength in the drum. Every nation know better days must come. City children pray through the darkest night. Mothers whisper peace till the morning light. But when we join, we hand and we lift, we soul. We turn the broken world into something whole. Different colors, different names, still the same heartbeat in the human frame. No more fear, no more divide. Love is the river, come take a ride. Lift we higher, love is the fire. One heart, one dream, lift the world entire. From the valleys low to the oceans wide, we rise together, standing side by side. Lift we higher, hand in hand we move. For every voice unheard, every soul to prove. One people, one planet, one burning light. Together we rise, together we fight. Hear the footsteps march in unity. Kingston chants echo overseas. Justice call loud in the city scene. Truth shine bright like a laser beam. Lift the youth them up, give the elders place. Circle of love in every tribe and race. When we say yes to peace and no more pain, the world unlocked like a golden chain. Are you ready? Yes, we are. For the one world vision. Yes, we are. For the courage and love. Up tall, humanity, yeah, lift we higher. Love is the fire. One heart, one dream, lift the world entire. Together we rise, together we stand in the name of love. Together we rise, together we stand in the name of love. For every woman, every child, every man, one world, one light, one fire inside. Together forever, side by side.